Let's dive into extra context. I'm going to do the @ sign in the chat window, and then I get extra context to come up and add files or folders. In there, you'll see I already have the full project because this is large. It's going to take a long time to index. You can pick files that you've already done, or you can search for files in your project too. So you can go very specific, or you can go the whole project. And that's what I've done here because I'm new to this project, and I'm going to say find where paths are transformed using JSON path expressions. And I'm going to do that, and you'll see that I didn't even spell it 100%. But let's go to see what we get back for our grokking this project. And you'll see that we got a output of different parts of the application where it's initialization and messaging processes. And you'll see here the references. And these are the fully path files on my computer. But wherever you check this out, you'll get those references because it's your local index. And I can actually also just go here, copy that class, and use my IDE like before and find that class. So now I see that's the TB JSON path nodes, and great, I have that and understand what's going on there. And now that's an easier way to grok your actually application using extra context.